Alabama is now in a crisis. Hospitals are having trouble hiring more nurses as part of a nursing shortage. A 2023 study is saying almost 40,000 nurses are now leaving the workforce faster than new ones can take the reins. Fox 54's Caleb Aguayo shows us how local schools are working to meet the need.
Alabama's healthcare industry is facing a shortage of up to 14,000 nurses after a projected loss of about a third of the workforce through retirement. Experts say the incoming students just aren't replacing the outgoing staff. In a newsletter just last year, the Alabama Board of Nursing's executive officer, Peggy Sellers Benson, said, "We need to prepare for a much younger nursing workforce through mentoring opportunities, leadership development, and engaging the older nursing workforce to train this new generation. That's why local schools are working with healthcare providers across the state to get as many students as possible prepped and ready to go."
Calhoun Community College is just one of the local schools bringing in more students and programs to try to help with the nursing shortage. The dean of the nursing program, Dr. Tiffany Bain, describes the need for new people in the workforce.
There's this shortage because nurses are aging out and there's not as many going into the workforce. And so they're asking us, hospitals, what are you doing to help address the shortage?
In response, Calhoun Community College is working on an expansion of its Huntsville campus and new simulation programs. Calhoun is also offering accelerated coursework for associate's degrees, high-tech training, and programs for high school students.
Within 3 semesters, we take someone who is not a nurse and they become a registered nurse because they already have some of the classes that are required to become bachelor's prepared. They already have those. And so we're just building on their education that they've already completed and then adding the bachelor's degree.
But one of the biggest problems is the fact that Alabama's nurses are among some of the lowest paid in the nation, sometimes leading to a brain drain of some of the state's recent graduates.
Huntsville and North Alabama have raised salaries over the last couple of years, but it's always a push-pull between what other hospital systems are operating as salaries, because you do want to retain your best and brightest.
The Huntsville Hospital's chief nursing officer, Aaron Zapp, said in a statement to Fox 54, "We're actively addressing nursing workforce shortages by partnering with local nursing programs, including apprenticeship opportunities." In Huntsville, I'm Caleb Aguayo, Fox 54 News.
Dr. Bain with Calhoun Community College says now is the perfect time to consider a career in nursing, even if you already have a bachelor's degree.